This is a light adapter which allows you to install any colored gel on any light modifier. And I've been developing and 3D printing it for months to achieve the best result and prototyping it a lot. My name is Marco, I'm an Italian photographer based in London, and here on my channel I share videos about photography and post-production. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment down below. I always struggle to color my strobe light, so this is why I bought a 3D printer to develop some product, mainly for product photography, but at some point I realized why I don't design and 3D print something which allows me to install any colored gel on any light modifier. So this is the solution. It is 3D printed with PET reinforced with carbon fiber, which allows to resist up to 220 degrees Celsius, which is basically fine for any flashlight, but I can't recommend it to use on video light, first of all because you have RGB COB light, but also because none of the gel you can find on the market can resist up to 100 degrees, I would say 120, so after that point start melting, and basically when you use video light you can produce up to 170, 180 degrees Celsius. It's very simple to use. You have Bowens mount on one side, Bowens mount on the other side. There is a screw to lock basically any light modifier, and then when you want to change the color you basically just use this gel adapter and slice it inside the side split. Basically you can see it's very easy to use, so let me show you how it works. Here I have a Godox AD600 Pro 2. You basically just put the light adapter like that and it locks by itself. Then you bring the softbox. In this case I'm using a 90 centimeter softbox, but you can use any. Then screw in. This is gonna secure the modifier. You can see it's not falling. So now I'll take a picture. And you can see basically this is just white light. I'm using a double TIFF inside to diffuse the light. And then if I install a green gel like that, very easily, I'm gonna take a picture. Now I have green light, but also, for example, let's install a red orange gel very easily. Take a new picture and you have a different light. I'm so proud of it, and also it was so fun to work on it and develop, spending time prototyping, 3D printing. I don't want to say how many times I failed, because also the material is very difficult to 3D print, but at some point I found the solution to have the best quality and also have a good time printing. This takes up to 6 hours to print, then also have to paint the inside, I have to anneal it in the oven, so it takes lots of time for production, but honestly I think this is something that can revolutionize photography industry. Once you install it, depending on the color you're using, for example, if you use the blue, you can lose up to 2 stops of light, but if you use a light orange or a light green, you can lose up to a half stop or 1 stop compared when you're using without any gel. But also the light modifier itself loses up to half stop, which is not much, but honestly you can compensate with ISO or use much power. I would recommend to use a strobe light up to 600 watt. I've been using for testing with a Godox AD 1200, so it can be used, but most of the gel, those are leaf filters, high temperature, but basically at some point they start melting. So this is why I've been using the gel holder, which is made of polycarbonate, but honestly it can stay up to 120 degree, 110 degree Celsius. So just make sure you don't use with any video light, or if you use with video light up to 65-75 watt, because after that the gel starts melting. This is mainly for photographers, so I would recommend it to use with strobe light. You don't have any problem even if you're shooting fast, but just make sure when using high power maybe to allow time to cool down the gel, or just check sometime if the gel is still in good condition. You don't have any problem with the product itself because, as I mentioned, it can resist up to 220 degrees Celsius. If you want to buy it, just go and have a look on my website, which I personally designed, so everything is homemade basically. And also I wanted to mention that the version I showed you is the new version, because this was the first version, which had basically a more square shape, and also I improved the cooling system, which is now a bit bigger, so it allows more airflow, but at the same time also it reduced the light diffusion from the back of the product, because of course we need some holes inside to dissipate the heat. This was everything. I can't wait to get back on my channel and make more videos. This is why I've been off, because I've been developing this product, but also you can check on my website. There's so many other products I've been working on, and I can't wait to show you the rest. So please have a look. Let me know down in the comment what do you think about this product. If you're gonna get it, please share any feedback with me, because I'm still trying to improve it, but honestly this is a good version. I've been working on it for almost 8 months, so I would say this is the final product. There is not much more I can do considering it's 3D printed. I'll see you in the next video. Please hit the thumb up and also subscribe to my channel. Ciao!